So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will show you top 5 best potentially strong meme coin that can be listed on Binance Exchange in future. And these meme coin has potential to give us 100,000x profit in coming 12 to 15 months, means in mega bull run here. Okay, so without wasting time, our first meme coin is AI Dogecoin, one of my most favorite meme coin, because this meme coin is very unique because this meme coin is working on Arbitrum's blockchain. Okay, and here you can see currently coin has 9 zeros in its price and its market cap is nearly $80 million only. Okay, so from $80 million market cap, if this meme coin can make a massive hype, okay, in coming months here and get major exchange listings, that I think maybe we can see major exchange listing on KuCoin exchange soon. Okay, then definitely its market cap will be in $1 billion here. Okay, maybe this meme coin can gain the market cap of $800 million in future and can give us maybe 100x profit here. Okay, this meme coin is already listed on too many best exchanges. Here you can see Get.io, Bitget exchange, GGFinix, OKX, and also MEXC. Okay, so maybe in future we can see is more and more major exchange listing also. For instance, second meme coin is Myro coin. Okay, here you can see Myro's current price is $0.16 and current market cap is $166 million market cap. Okay, and I think maybe we can see Binance exchange listings this year. Okay, because this is very potential meme coin, and this is a few days ago, okay, when crypto market was bullish, when we saw mini bull run in meme coins, then this meme coin performed really amazing already. Okay, and here you can see total max supply of 1 billion coin in circulation. Here you can see 999 million coins. Okay, so total supply is very minimum supply, and here you can see trading volume of $24 million. Okay, so trading volume is good. It means maybe we can see Marocoin listing on Binance Exchange also, and in future we can see its price up to $10 to $20 a year. Friends, the third meme coin is Fred coin. Since couple of months, I'm sharing this meme coin with you because this is the most powerful and most potential meme coin on Base blockchain. Okay, Bread is named 203 number current ranking, and here you can see $0.04 is current price. This price can be the good price for making entry in this meme coin. This meme coin has already market cap of $378 million market cap, so market cap is already good. But maybe in future we can see this meme coin's market cap up to 20 to 25 billion dollars a year. Here you can see current trading volume is $51 million. Okay, and still this meme coin is not listed on Binance or KuCoin or any other tier 1 exchange. Here you can see listed on Bybit, Get.io, and Bitget exchange. Okay, so definitely I think this meme coin has high chances to get listed on Binance exchange this year because already good market cap, good trading volume, okay, and good hype on best blockchain. So maybe we can see Bread coin listing on Binance exchange soon, and then maybe we can see its price, okay, in this will run up to $10 a year. Friends, our fourth meme coin is Kukinu coin. Okay, you can see Kukinu current market cap ranking is 320 number ranking. Current price is 5 zeros in its price. You can see total market cap of $179 million market cap. So market cap is good. Okay, and right now its market cap is dumping because the entire crypto market is again jumping. Maybe in future we can see this market cap from 179 millions to maybe $10 billion here, and Kukinu can be the still 100x potential meme coin here. Okay, here you can see we are 60% down than its all-time high. Okay, there was 2 months ago. Okay, and here you can see we are 2900% up than its all-time low. This meme coin is listed on KuCoin exchange and many other exchanges, but still this meme coin is not listed on Binance exchange. So definitely Binance can list this coin because this is the most potential and most powerful meme coin on AVAX blockchain. Friends, our fifth and last meme coin is not a newly launched coin. This is, I think, 3 years old meme coin. This name is Doge Loan Mars, one of my most favorite meme coin. Currently has 6 zeros in its price, 450 number ranking. Okay, very low cap meme coin, just $190 million market cap only. Okay, and this is very potential and very powerful meme coin, and maybe we can see its listing on Binance exchange because since long time there are some news that Binance will list the Dogecoin coin. Okay, but still there's no any confirmed news that we can see its listing on Binance exchange, but we can hope that this meme coin can also list on Binance exchange because you can see, okay, we are 92% down than its all-time high. There was 3 years ago. Okay, on 30 October 2021, this meme coin has made its all-time high. We are 92% down than its all-time high. Already listed on Get.io. You can see Bitget, OKX, MEXC, and KuCoin exchange. Okay, these are the exchanges where Elon coin is listed, and maybe in future, okay, maybe in this year or in next year, we can see Dogecoin coin listing on Binance exchange also, because very old meme coin, and definitely this meme coin can perform really amazing in this coming bull run here. Okay, so these are the top five best meme coins that I'm personally also holding these all five meme coins, okay, on different exchanges. Okay, and I think that maybe we can see there are five meme coins listing on Binance exchange this year. What do you think, which meme coin has high chances to get listed on Binance exchange first? So you can must comment down below.